How's everybody going? Welcome to the channel. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Just wanted to jump on this morning. I just took 2 trades on Ethereum, and I wanted to really kind of talk about a strategy. It's called the 20-50 EMA strategy, and just wanted to kind of point out, really the opportunities in this. Obviously, if you have confluence, if you're at a level of support. This could definitely work. Even taking trades off of the 20, I'm going to kind of show you that, and I'm going to kind of show you the entry that I had on this trade this morning. I just literally took 2 trades, and we were again. I don't hold the trades long. I literally set it for 10 points, and again, this was a pretty high leverage trade, and so 10-point movement. I was able to get in and get out. So let's kind of talk about what we did here, all right? So awesome, this is Ethereum, and this is Crypto Saturday, and again, I appreciate you guys jumping in. Let's kind of talk about a strategy, what we saw here. And again, we're going to talk about price action. We're going to talk about candlesticks, and really talk about how we can utilize and take advantage of these type of setups, all right? So let's go. Up. Okay. All right. You guys can see my screen here. Okay. All right. So what you see on my screen is this is Ethereum. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Not sure what happened to the music, but great. Perfect. So as you can see here, this is the hour, okay? And the hour really gives us some great opportunities coming off the 20, and really utilizes this 20 as a support, okay? So as you can see here, we are obviously in a big downtrend, okay? So again, if you look at the opportunities here, okay, obviously, let's set this up here, okay? And let's look at really kind of over the last couple days. So again, look at what Ethereum has done, all right, and how it trades off of these two supports, the 50 and the 20. Okay, so again, if you were wanting to take trades off of the 20 line, okay, here's an opportunity right here. Okay, so again, we came up here. Okay, we came up here. You could have gotten in here. We obviously, if you look to the left, we have an area of support here, okay? So this is a great area that you could have potentially taken a sell, okay? And if you took this sell, you would actually just kind of move your stop loss, and you would actually still be in that trade today, and you would be in great profit, okay? So again, just an opportunity here, all right? So obviously what we did is we saw a big wick. We saw a big candle, okay? Came up, hit that, hit that 20 and literally made a wick here, all right? Made a wick here, all right? So let's kind of zoom in on this, okay, and see exactly what we're talking about here. We made a wick to the top side here, okay? And then, we actually kind of went up. We actually tested this wick, and we then shot back down, okay? And so again, we could have taken that. We could have taken that. This would have definitely been our confirmation candle here, okay? And then again, we just continued to fall, okay? And again, you could have moved your stop loss. Where would I put my stop loss if I would have gotten into this trade? I would have gotten into this trade as soon as it touched here, and I would have moved my stop loss right underneath this support here, okay? Right underneath this candle here. I would have moved my stop loss. I would have put my stop loss. And again, what do we have here? All right, let's mark this up really quick. All right, let's mark this up really quick. Okay, look what we have here. Okay, in this area here, in this area here. Again, I wouldn't have made it that big, but again, look, let's look to the left here. Okay, we could see the opportunity that we kind of would have set our stop loss in at this opportunity right here. So right underneath this wick here, and at the top of these wicks here. So I would have been somewhere in here with my stop loss, okay? And then from there, my first level would have been right here, okay? My first take profit would have been here, okay? We obviously broke that and we continued down. My second one would have been here, and then my third one would have been way down here, okay? So again, these are opportunities that you can definitely take, and then you would have just moved your stop loss along the way, okay? If you didn't get in there, guess what? Came down, retested back up to the 20, okay? And again, we actually just did it, and that's where I got in on this last one here. I got in at 27.50. Actually, I got in at 27.62, and I actually took it down to 27.50 and closed my trade, okay? What I also utilized as well, just to kind of give me confirmation, was this RSI, okay? So the RSI shows us since September 17th, since February 17th, it shows that we've been below the 50, okay? And we have not broke above, okay? Telling us that we are in an uptrend, telling us that we are moving in a different direction, okay? So we literally have been coming off of this 50. So here, we came off the 50, dropped below the 40, came all the way down. Because keep in mind here, okay, when it comes below this 30 mark, we're most likely going to now make a reversal, okay? And again, I would be looking for it, okay, to come back up to that 20 and be able to get back in that trade if you're not already in it. So again, also, okay, a great strategy as well is when this 20, okay, when this 20 crosses this 50, okay, that's a great confirmation to be able to tell us that we're moving in a reversal, okay? And again, we saw that here. We saw that cross on this big candle. And again, if you would have taken that and you were at a level of structure, you could have taken that bag and you could have achieved that trade there. So again, I just really wanted to talk about really the opportunities that really crypto has as well, okay? And again, we looked at this candle here. We saw this wick. We saw this is a shooting star, okay, with a small wick to the bottom, which obviously says that there's a little bit of there's a little bit of buyers, but look at all these sellers and how they came in, okay? So again, that's what we're dealing with. We're dealing with this big momentum right here on this hour candle, okay? And again, if we go down to the 15, we can actually even see it as well, okay? So the 15 and the hour show us that we're in a downtrend, okay? So what I did is I entered on the 15 candle, okay? That was my entry, okay? As I took the entry on the 15. I was waiting to see if the 15 was going to pull back up and move past this 20, okay? And again, that's where I got in. Is I saw that we came below here. We had these wicks to the top side, 3 of them, okay? And that's where I got in, okay? Is I actually got in right here off the 50, okay, on the 15 minute, all right? So again, I utilize structure on higher time frames, and then I scale down to obviously follow my trade. But like I said, I don't take long trades. Once I'm in profit and I'm good with my profit, I take it. I take it off. I could have left it open, and I could have, obviously moved my stop loss, along the way. Again, I don't like to obviously babysit trades like that. It's just not my plan. It's not my style. You could have definitely done that though, and you would still be in profit right now by obviously utilizing, this opportunity here, okay, and utilizing the 20 and 50 cross. All right. And again, when you're looking at strategies like that, I would definitely go up to a higher time frame. And when you go up to a higher time frame, okay, you actually, it's a lot more valid on a higher time frame than a shorter a smaller time frame. So an hour, 4 hour is great to be able to look at strategies like this, okay? And again, we're talking about the 20, the 50, EMA, having structure, and being able to actually, be able to take those plays, okay? So again, I just wanted to jump on today, Saturday, kind of crypto Saturday, and just really share, just continue to share and continue to just feed you guys opportunities, really finding your style and finding your plan and finding what works for you on this trade again. And again, I'll also, I'll definitely, you can definitely see here, you can definitely see what my profits were from that trade this morning. And you can see kind of, those will be over here to the right of me, actually to the left of me on the camera here. But again, I'll definitely show those to you as far as what we did. Like I said, I literally just took it for 10 pips, and I was out of the trade. So again, I hope that you guys have an amazing weekend. If you're getting value, please down in the right corner there is a Trust Your Trade logo. Click on that, subscribe, share. Again, this week, Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, we will be doing live trading. Okay, definitely plug into the Discord, in the link below, and stay tuned. I know on Twitch we have a little bit of lag. I will definitely send out a Zoom, which will obviously give us a lot more, stability. But again, I will stream it on Twitch as well. And obviously, we're building these platforms so that I can definitely come on here and do some live trading with you guys. I'm definitely excited. I hope that you guys are seeing value. And at the end of the day, okay, what I'm doing is just bringing value. If you want to trade and you would like to definitely have some mentorship, definitely reach out. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk. And I can definitely share my journey. I can tell you exactly, what I did. And I can definitely talk about really the steps of getting you, educated, in this space, so that you can learn the skill set that you need, so you can go out there and be profitable in your trading journey, and be able to leverage what you're already doing as far as income goes, be able to build these accounts, be able to replace income, and again, just work smarter if this is the vehicle that you do have an interest in. But again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have an amazing weekend, and we will see you soon. Thank you. See you at the top, because the bottom is too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. Again, God bless. Have an amazing weekend, and see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.